This video will walk through how to configure autoscaler for stateful EC2s. So to configure a stateful EC2 environment, you just click Add New, and it gives you the instructions for how to go about it. It's slightly different than the other clusters because it's triggered using tags. So all you have to do is add this tag to any instance with the name of the environment you want it to go in, and everything else will happen automatically. So we have a Cassandra cluster that we'll apply this to. If I go into my EC2 console, I can see I have a three node Cassandra cluster. So what I want to do is run two of these as spot and leave the third one as on demand. If there ever is an interruption, when it comes back online, the fact that it has the same state from the EBS volumes being saved will make recovery time that much quicker. So all I have to do to enable autoscaler is create a tag, and I'm just going to call this environment Cassandra. And I'll do the same for one other node. So within a few minutes, these nodes will be replaced with spot instances running at about 80% cheaper. If and when one of these spot instances is ever lost, autoscaler will automatically bring up a replacement instance in on demand using the same EBS volumes and the same IP address. Whole process takes 5 minutes or so. In the meantime, the other two nodes will continue to handle requests. When the new node comes back online, it will resynchronize only the changes that have happened since it went down the last few minutes and rejoin the cluster. No downtime for the cluster at an aggregate cost of about 50%. So if we let this run a while, we can see we're now realizing the majority of the potential cost savings. Roughly 60% cheaper than we were before, with a much higher percentage of the instances being managed by autoscaler.